So right now, we're going to get some breakfast. Breakfast starts at 7:30.
We're late. We're late because I was ready.
Getting some breakfast right now, and then we're gonna pick up the skis, come back, change, and then head to the slopes. You ready? Because I'm ready. Morning. What's that? Yeah?
Please remember me the room number.
306.
306?
Yeah.
Daniel.
Yes.
Okay. I explain you. Okay?
Yeah.
So, you understand German?
No.
No. Okay. Please press here and you can choose another language, okay? For the until here, I recommend the small one, okay? Until cappuccino, I recommend this one. And for the other ones, please use this one. Otherwise, coming out everything and the machine is blocked. Okay? We have tea, ice, our buffet, still water, sparkling water, multivitamin juice. They will follow the cheese. Okay? Everything at the name. This is the more soft cheese. The other ones is more strong flavor. Okay? This is from the village. And this is a cake that we did here with this one and cheese.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Let's get some breakfast. Okay, so I got a croissant, some type of Danish, another Danish, piece of cake, some eggs, and Jada got
I don't know what that is, but
this cake. Remember?
what's in it? The bacon?
I have no idea. You're gonna have to find out. You don't like it? Why? It's weird. How was breakfast?
It was good.
How was the breakfast?
Yeah, it was not good.
But yeah, I'll get probably a toast with eggs tomorrow. I don't know about whatever I just had, but. Morning. Ah. Yo, we in Switzerland. Oh my God, we in fucking Switzerland. Wow. I can't believe we're here. Wow. We're actually in Switzerland. Yeah, so we're gonna pick up the skis right now, come back, put it in the locker room, and then change and head to the slopes. We gotta get that ski passes too, so I gotta get that right now. Wow. Nah, this is fake. We're in a snow globe. We're in a snow globe, babe. Oh, babe, look, Matterhorn. What? Here is the store that I rented some skis from. It's open. It's open. Hi.
How can I help you?
Oh, you rented some skis? From
Yeah.
here?
Yeah. Do you have a reservation?
Yeah.
Just for you, right?
Oh, I have hers.
For you, Jada, it's your first time? First time ever? How do you feel the boots for you?
Yes.
Pretty good, enough space and everything?
Yeah.
Would you stand up 1 second? Oh, over there. So.
Muchas gracias por hoy.
That's fine. Well, check the weight, should not be too heavy.
I might need help with this.
Yeah.
So we picked up our skis and our ski boots. It's right here. We're gonna get dressed and then put on our skis, or take our skis down to the lift, get our ski passes, and we hit the slopes. She's nervous.
So nervous.
She's so nervous. So yeah, let's go change. We can go change. Oh my god, it's about to get real. So we're gonna go train right now and then hit the slopes. Let's go.
I'm nervy.
She's nervous. But it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be so fun. I couldn't get my foot in the boot. He had to help me. Not him, the other guy.
What's up, people? What's up? So we are going skiing.
This is cool. I can't believe that with this thing. Okay, these are actually not bad. Oh my god, wait.
Jada. So we're here at the Sunega beginner lift. We're gonna go up the lift right now and we're gonna practice how it goes.
You can't see, but under the sun, smiling. Also, I'm sweating.
No dirty guy. I'm ready. Let's go. Yep, so we're headed to the Sunega lift for the beginner slope. It's a little walk, but it's not too bad. Cannot wait. So fun. Okay, so updates. Jada's not enjoying this at all.
I hate this
She hates it.
so much.
But we got some nice views. We're gonna practice some more and then see the vibe. So far, not too bad. It is kind of hot here. Maybe tomorrow I wouldn't put layers on. I gotta figure this out again. I forgot how to ski, so I'm kind of a beginner right now.
I ran into a person.
She did. She killed somebody.
I went really fast, and it was the baby hill.
She said she was pizza, but I ain't seen no pizza. Straight French fry. Just straight into the person.
Yeah.
Yeah, to the ketchup. She dipped it to the ketchup. It was out of my hands. I couldn't catch up.
You just watched me run into him.
I couldn't do anything. She's gonna
This
get
is not a sport for me.
it. No, she's gonna get it. She's huffing and puffing. And
Yeah.
I
hate this.
once she gets it, she's gonna have so much fun. No, I'm telling you. Once you get it,
I don't think I could ever like this. Like,
you
I don't
will.
know. It's scary.
It's scary at first, but once you get it,
I was going so fast, babe. Like, so right now I'm on the baby slopes with all of the kids, and a lot of them are doing better than me.
yeah. See this? Yeah. This is where we at. We got the magic carpet, bunny slopes, but I think she'll get it. So we're gonna see. We're gonna go down in a couple minutes and yeah, it's gonna be a nice one. So updates. Jada got tired of skiing, but look at the view behind me. The Matterhorn's right there. Yo, look at that. But yeah, she got tired of skiing, so I'm going back up. Hopefully she wants to come back down, but I'm not gonna lie. Trail, that piece that I just rode down, she can't do it. I'm gonna see if I can do it again, but there's some restaurants over here. I really wanted to see it, but she got to ski down there, so I don't know what she's gonna do. I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, we're almost at the top. And here's Matterhorn right there. Matterhorn. I can't believe I'm in Switzerland skiing, bro. I haven't skied in so long, but it's starting to come back to me. It's starting to come back. I haven't felt yet, but I almost bust my ass. But updates. So Jada went to a restaurant in one of these up these hills, up these peaks. So she's gonna wait for me while I ski for a little bit. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, she's not mad or anything, but she doesn't like skiing at all, so she's not coming back. I have another ski pass for myself for tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to the other part of the ski resort. I'm not like comfortable yet, but I'm starting to, you know, remind myself that I can do it. But it's been a while, so it's been like 5, 6, 7 years, so hopefully by the end of today, I'm good. The piece that I want to go to tomorrow, it's a level above what I'm doing now. So I want to go to the red ones tomorrow. Right now, I'm just practicing the blues. I might hit up a red today. But yeah, so far so good with me. I just have to remember and be confident and just send it. I just can't believe I'm actually in Switzerland skiing. I can't believe it. Like, who would have thought? And as far as black people, I'm the only black person that I've seen in the slopes. I've seen maybe like 2 or 3 people in town, but as far as black people skiing or snowboarding here in Switzerland, I haven't seen any. So if you're black, come out, all right? Come on, I can't be the only black one here. Yeah, look at that. You can't beat this. You can't beat this view, bro. Okay, so updates. I'm getting way too comfortable, and I feel confident about going tomorrow to the harder slope. I'm doing the blues way more comfortable now. I have no problem going down. Some parts of it is a little sketchy, like this just stopped. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh my god, I'm stuck. What's going on? Look at that. Look at the Matterhorn. Amazing. Yeah, so here we go. Skiing in Zermatt. Skiing in Zermatt. I can't believe I'm here skiing in Zermatt, bro. Switzerland. I'm actually skiing in Zermatt, Switzerland. This is amazing, I ain't gonna lie. It feels kind of crazy. All you gotta do is be confident and step and dig. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. That's it. That's what skiing is. That's it. That's all that it is, man. That's all that it is, bro. That's it. You skiing in Zermatt, Switzerland. We got this whole thing to ourselves right now, yo. This whole spot to ourselves. It's amazing. Look at this. Tomorrow it's gonna be even better views. How was your first ski trip?
I hate skiing. Not for me.
Yeah, it's not for her, but I had fun. Coming back tomorrow. I'm gonna do more piste trails. Tomorrow's gonna be even more epic, more views. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go change, explore some more, some dinner tonight. And that's it. So we just got back, we changed, and we're going to the Matterhorn viewpoint, which is like 10 minutes away.
Wearing pink 'cause it's Valentine's Day.
Huh?
Look at my.
But yeah, so we're gonna check out the sunset, hopefully. It looks nice so far. And then we're gonna come back, shower, change, go get some food. I'm starving. We didn't have breakfast today. Yeah, and then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna ski tomorrow again. Is it us?
No.
So we made it to the viewpoint. This is like, I guess, golden hour. It's beautiful out here. There's a few people here, but it's okay. Switzerland. We are ready for dinner.
Yes, I'm
Yeah?
starving.
You're
He's been
starving.
making me wait.
Listen, when you look this good, it takes time, you know what I'm saying? It takes time.
He's talking about me.
It takes time.
What?
Huh? How you look good, baby? But yeah, we're gonna get some dinner, head back after that, and relax because we had a long day. Tomorrow,
We did.
it's another long day.
For him, not for
Yeah,
me.
for me, yeah. She wasn't fucking with it, but it's okay. Anyway, we will see you guys when we get to whatever restaurant we choose. Hopefully we get a seat.
We'll see. It's Valentine's Day. We don't make a reservation.
We figure it out. What's up, man? That's the menu. We are at Vivanda. Right here. We've seen this on Google Maps, so hopefully this place is good. We're gonna get the menu, see what they have. But the vibe so far is, I like the vibe.
We always have a small greeting from the kitchen, some breadsticks and the sugar. There we go. Some bread coming in. The water's coming right up.
Is there an English version?
The bottom is in
Okay, so we had food, but we didn't get it on camera because we were so hungry. But we have dessert, the creme brulee. Jada loves this apparently, right?
yeah.
So if I don't like it, it's gonna be a hard for it. But it looks good though. I'm not gonna lie, it does look good. So we'll see. We'll see the vibe.
Oh, I didn't know you were recording. That's not what you were expecting.
Good.
This is passion.